Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring doorbell chime on Echo devices step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Ring doorbell is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your Echo device is also connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Ring doorbell. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on the device's icon located in the lower right corner of the screen. Select the plus icon in the upper right corner to add a new device. Choose Add Device from the options presented. Scroll down and select Camera. Find and select Ring from the list of compatible brands. You will be prompted to log into your Ring account. Enter your Ring account credentials and follow the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, your Ring devices should automatically sync with the Alexa app. Select your Ring doorbell from the list of connected devices. Now, return to the main screen in the Alexa app. Tap on Settings in the lower menu. Scroll down and select Device Settings. Choose your Echo device where you want the chime to play. Scroll down to find the chime settings. Toggle the doorbell press announcements to enable it. You can also customize announcement settings according to your preference. After making your selections, exit the settings. Test the setup by pressing your Ring doorbell. Listen for the announcement on your Echo device. If you hear the chime, your setup is complete. If not, double-check your connections and settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.